Hello, this is Glenn Andrade from Digital Synergy, and welcome to my Affiliate Tube Success Review. It's a robust course that teaches you how to get #1 rankings in both YouTube and Google. Stay tuned because in a moment, I'm going to give you a sneak peek inside the course and show you live proof that the system actually works. Okay, so here we are, and we are inside Paul Murphy's Affiliate Tube Success Academy. And as you can see, this is a pretty robust course. It's got actually 11 modules, and actually Paul just added this module, so he continues to add on content, not only in modules but within each module. And there's also Kartra training that's included. Now, you do not have to get Kartra, but if you want to take advantage of some of the funnels that Paul has created, there's actually a small upgrade that you can get for a one-time fee, and he'll give you all these funnels inside. But you don't have to get that upgrade. Aside from that, you'll get all of these modules along with support calls that are done twice a week on Tuesday and Thursday. And it usually provides some training along with a Q&A session at the end. So I'm going to just give you a little bit of insight as to what's inside the course here. Obviously, I don't want to reveal too much, as this is his, you have to pay to get into this course. So I'm not going to show you really anything inside of it, but I will show you what's inside of it without actually going into the videos. So this will give you a good idea, welcome, an overview of what you can expect. He talks about the best of free traffic, getting high conversions, basically talks about getting 50% conversions, why that is with this system, protecting the downside. Essentially what that means is with this system, you won't ever have to pay for paid advertising again. So basically you are taking control of the expenses that your business has. Most businesses, you're going to need money to market. You're going to need money to get ads out there, to test them. With this system, once you've got the system and you start rolling with it, the only thing it costs is a little bit of your time. Well, it costs your time, like with anything else. I'm not going to say it's a little bit of your time, because obviously you need to be focused and you need to be have a goal and be consistent. So that's module 1. Module 2 is good because it kind of gets you prepared with mindset. I know a lot of people don't kind of skip this, but it really is important. You really need to have a mindset and set your expectations. Prepare yourself for success with your mindset. If you don't think that you're going to do well, then you're not going to do well. So this really is important. It also talks about equipment and outsourcing your work. And then in module 3, it's about setting up your channel, some tools, keyword research, some other tools that are available, basically how you need to give value, creating a hook that he talks about. And you also can give away this course or a portion of this course for free as a lead magnet if you want to, with any of your products, if you choose to do that. And module 4 talks about doing this for e-commerce. And then he talks about the different types of videos that you'll be creating. Problem videos, money or product videos. Talks about basically having an attractive character and things like that in terms of how you should approach your videos. Complete checklists with a tracker, how to monitor what's working, what's not working. And then here he talks about basically creating a funnel. And you create an autoresponder, and it's a mini funnel. Don't be scared off by the funnel aspect of it. And if you you're not familiar with funnels at all or anything like that, or if you are familiar with it, maybe you're familiar with ClickFunnels or something like that, that is an added expense. Actually, at the bottom of this video, I'm going to include a link where you can access a funnel builder brand new by a top marketer and software developer who actually created Kartra and Webinar Jam. His name is Mike Filsaime, and he's actually started a whole new project which is basically going to blow away ClickFunnels. And right now, you can get 2 parts of his new suite for absolutely free. There's no strings attached. So check that link out underneath. Module 6 talks more about other types of videos and optimizing the videos, and advanced strategy. He doesn't use this at all, but if you want to get advanced, it's in how to basically create backlinks for your videos. And Module 7 talks about how, and again, a little bit more advanced strategy is basically maximizing your performance and your results by retargeting, using Facebook retargeting. So not using advertising in the general sense, you're just retargeting people who have visited your link perhaps but maybe didn't opt in or didn't purchase what you wanted them to purchase. Now retargeting is actually one of the most cost-effective ways to market. It's really inexpensive, so this is a great include into this course. And then here at the end there's Q&As, and there's bonus modules here. To be honest with you, I haven't even gotten to this yet, so I don't even know what's included. I'm focusing on going through all of the modules, one by one, making sure I'm checking all the boxes, and I'm already seeing results. So, and this module 10, actually he teaches you how to outsource all this with a team. So this module talks a lot about that, and there's actually a little bit of a challenge here as well. So that's a good thing. And then repurposing your videos. So this is really cool strategy that actually once you create your videos, he shows you how you can repurpose the videos and create blogs out of them. And again, this is the upgrade that I mentioned. Depending on when you watch this video, I will be including a link to, again, I spoke about his Mike Filsaime's new product. It's called Groove Funnels and Groove Pages, and I'm actually going to create these funnels in Groove Pages. So you'll be able to access those underneath at some point, hopefully in the near future. And I already mentioned the Kartra training, and then if you want to be an affiliate for this product, you can do that as well. All right, so that's a quick sneak peek inside of the training course itself. So what I want to do next is I want to show you some real live examples and results that, and at first I'm going to show you some of mine, but I'm going to show you Paul's first actually. So here, Webinar Jam, I spoke about Webinar Jam. It's actually one by Mike Filsaime, one of the creators, and it's actually, I believe it's #2 webinar software on the market, only next to GoToWebinar and Zoom. We all know how popular Zoom is. So anyway, obviously much search for key phrase, and this is right in Google. So people are typing this into Google, and pretty much this is a billboard right here. And as you can see, Paul Murphy is right here. His channel is Passive Income Ladder, and he shows up right there on the top. And you can't get any better real estate than this. So here he is again. Here's another one. Again, oh, it's the same one, sorry. So anyway, so that's there. Another one is EverWebinar. This is another webinar software, and as you can see here, he is totally dominating this whole carousel right here, front and center. And people are paying good money to be up here at the top, so you're not going to have to pay any money. Groove Pages versus ClickFunnels. Again, ClickFunnels is huge in the internet marketing space, or anyone who wants to build, any business that wants to build a funnel. So as you can see here, again, he's actually #1. Let's see if he's got any other further down. No, that's what we got there. But hey, he's #1, and let me check something here, because it looks like so it's giving me an alternate version. So let's see what happens here. So yeah, and the alternate version still #1. All right, so so that's Google. That's what's known as the carousel. This is the type of prime real estate that you can expect. But if we go to YouTube, again, for EverWebinar trial, you can see he's showing up here, #3 here he is again, and so on and so forth. Again, webinar Jam versus Zoom. Here he is for webinar number versus Zoom number 3. And again, and again. So let's check in YouTube Groove Pages versus ClickFunnels. Here he is, number 2. And I mean, look, this is Mike Filsaime. He's Mike Filsaime is the creator of the product, and he's actually outperforming. He's number 1 because this is an ad. So somebody's paying for this keyword, and here Paul Murphy is number 1. Didn't pay a dime for that. Those are some of Paul's results that he's getting. So real quick, I just want to show you some of mine. Now, I just started doing this pretty much maybe 2 weeks ago. And I want to show you the results that I'm getting. And again, this is, Paul has been doing this for some time now. So I just want to give you some proof that, you don't have to be doing this for a long, look, 16 minutes ago. I'm ranking for it. I'm being an affiliate for his product because I know how great it is. So I believe in it. So 16 minutes, I'm right there, number 1. Again, affiliate tube success, number 1 in YouTube. Affiliate tube success, number 3 here in this search. And let's see here, how to make money with YouTube video using software. This is in Google. I am number 1. And Affiliate Tube Success Academy review, number 3. How to monetize YouTube fast with 4,000 watch hours. I am number 1. For the most part, within 24 hours, here, 23 hours, see how to do affiliate marketing on YouTube with no money. Here on this search, I'm showing up, and 23 hours already got 13 views. And again, these are brand new videos. They're showing up here. Number 1, how to make money on YouTube using videos. So there you go. That is part 2 of my review for Paul Murphy's Affiliate Tube Success Academy. I highly recommend it, as you can see from the results that I've been getting and the results that Paul's been getting, as well as many of his other students. You really need to give this a shot and just stick to it, and it will produce the same types of results. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. It really helps out my channel when you do that. Like the video, comment below, and be sure to hit the alert button so that you will be notified whenever I come out with a new video, which will be coming up soon. So if you're interested in getting more information about this course, please be sure to opt in below for my free training. It's a 10-part series on how to make money with YouTube, but it's also going to give you access to a webinar with Paul Murphy, where Paul Murphy shows you more information on his strategy and his secrets on how he gets his results, and also give you 50% off on the course if you're interested in purchasing it. So you want to do that by opting in below and get that 50% off. All right, we'll see you next time. So there you go. That is part 2 of my review for Paul Murphy's Affiliate Tube Success Academy. I highly recommend it, as you can see from the results that I've been getting and the results that Paul's been getting, as well as many of his other students. You really need to really need to give this a shot, and just stick to it, and it will produce the same types of results. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. It really helps out my channel when you do that. Like the video, comment below, and be sure to hit the alert button so that you will be notified whenever I come out with a new video, which will be coming up soon. And so I will see you, which I'll be putting up very shortly. And don't forget, please, and don't forget to opt in below to my 10-part series where you So if you're interested in getting more information about this course, please be sure to opt in below for my free training. It's a 10-part series on how to make money with YouTube, but it's also going to give you access to a webinar with Paul Murphy, hosted by Mike Filsami, and where Paul Murphy shows you more information on his strategy and his secrets on how he gets his results, and also give you 50% off on the course if you're interested in purchasing it. So you want to do that by opting in below and get that 50% off. All right, we'll see you next time.